All right, let's take a look at this guy here. We've got a force this way. And that force has a component that's like this. Okay, now I know that this downward force and this upward component, these have to be the same. You don't need to know that, but I know that. And then I know that D is going to be, these guys are going to be equal but opposite, right? These are equal and opposite, those are equal and opposite, right? Okay, so this is D. This side here must be, it touches that angle, right? So it's C cos, it's cozy with the angle, right? 34. And this side here is C sine 34. Because it's opposite the angle, right? And then this guy has all, it's all x component, right? So let's set this. Oh, we got to figure out this this side here, right? That is 15.4 times 9.81. That will require a calculator, in my opinion. 9.81 times 151.074. All right. Is that right? I do believe it is. Okay. So now let's just set up our expression. In the x direction, we've got negative c cos 34. Okay, so because that's to the left, we make it negative, right? And it's in this way, so it's in the x direction, right? Plus d is 0. So d is pulling to the right, that's pulling to the left, they add up to 0. In the y direction, we've got, this has two unknowns and one equation, so we're kind of out of luck. Okay, so here we've got c sine 34 minus 151.074 equals 0. Now we have no need to use matrices here. This thing's actually solvable for c. C is just going to be this divided by sine of 34. So c equals, the answer I just got, okay, divided by sine of 34, 270.16. I'm going to store that in C actually, okay? And then to find D, I guess I'm going to take that and multiply by the cosine. Okay, so times cosine of 34, 223.976. Ta-da. So you solve this guy for C, plug that number in here, solve for D. Did we get it right? Yeah, 224 and 270 with a decimal point. All right. Happy hunting.